Hello humans, welcome to Peplink. Jason and Marlon from the marketing team. We have a special gift here today from Mr. Peter West of West Networks. Let me get Lady Gaga out of my ear here. He was on the Conquer the Switch tour, replacing switches, grabbing some for the throne, and he was going to come and see us.
But he big time, this is what it comes down to.
Which is unfortunate, but he did make it up by sending us a gift apparently.
Presents!
And then so very subtly told us maybe we should shoot an unboxing video.
Yeah, nudge, nudge, wink, wink.
Right. So against all better judgment, we've given Jason a knife, and we'll see what's in here. Go ahead.
All right, let's see what we got going on in here.
It open. I was excited to see Peter too.
I know. I wanted to see him. I hadn't seen him since we did the trip into Hong Kong.
Right. But yet here we are.
Here we are,
No
freezing.
Peter.
All right, what do we got? What do we got?
I would say I hope it's a puppy, but this has been here for a couple of weeks, so I desperately hope it's not a puppy.
No. All right, let's see what we got going on here.
Let's see what Peter sent.
Paper!
Peter sent us packing paper, my favorite. All right.
Wow!
Peter sent us Conquer the Switch t-shirts, apparently.
Whoop!
Pretty rad. Grab one of those. Let me flip one of these out for you just to get a good look. Those are pretty cool. Those turned out really well. That's adorable. Yeah. That's.
Pete, we've met.
Let me see. Hang on. Maybe that one's not yours. You never know.
Okay.
No, there's not enough X's on that one. Okay.
You've seen how big I am.
I'm not convinced that one's for you, man. Haruki, I think that's maybe the one that's for Jason.
No,